Hello, you wonderful people. Welcome to week 7 of our course, Introduction to Dance Education. Similar to every other week's announcements, we have 3 for this week. Our first one is paragraphs. Let's remember that a standard paragraph is 5 to 7 sentences. So that means that's a little different than the way that we write on social media platforms and so forth, where a paragraph is just that chunk of text, right? In writing format, in academic writing, in professional writing, in work writing, however you want to phrase it, a standard paragraph is still 5 to 7 sentences. So use the hamburger method if you need to. That hamburger method was the bun, which is the topic sentence, the meat, which is 3 supporting sentences, and that bottom bun, which is your closing sentences. You want to use this in all of our writing. So if I say 3 paragraphs, that means 5 to 7 sentences. Please remember that. With that being said, rubrics is our next item. There's a rubric included for all of these written assignments, and I strongly encourage you to review it so that you are best able to demonstrate your understanding, your mastery, your exploration of the course content. And I'm using that rubric to grade your assignment, so that I'm grading them. I'm grading them objectively, not yeah, that's it. So that I'm grading them objectively. The last of our things that I want to bring to your forefront is your sources. So the course content, meaning the lectures, the readings, the videos, everything that I'm offering you, and your lived experience should be that foundation of your responses. At the same time, I encourage you to find additional sources, because this course is about, and I feel as someone who considers myself a constructivist, the point of this class is to help you to be better, more successful in the world outside of this class. So with that in mind, part of research is looking at what's readily available to you and then taking a step to something else, right? And then compiling it. So the course content and your lived experience should be the foundation of your responses, and I strongly encourage you to find other sources as well. And because I strongly encourage that, you'll see on the rubric there's a section that says additional research is done and is demonstrated through the of citations. So we're using the citations, right? We introduced them earlier in the semester, and now we're applying them throughout. And also, that whole idea of finding additional sources helps to bring additional voices into the work that we're doing. And that's a part of my inclusive teaching practice, and a part of a lot of inclusive teaching practices. You'll hear educators say, you want to bring as many voices into the room as possible. And that way, you're offering diverse perspectives, right? So, you using additional sources, bringing them in, helps to bring in other voices, and that maybe teaches me, teaches you, and teaches the entire class something new. So that's all I got for today and this week. I hope that you are doing your best to find joy in today, and in the week, taking care of yourself and being good to yourself. So take care. See you soon.